Yeah. Portrait. This is easy. Rappers nowadays are rapping under pressure. The subject matter is fake, can't even feel the texture. They really need a lecture to see the greener pastures. Cause when they look at the vision, they only see the cheddar. Psychedelic thoughts are what the future needs. Kids nowadays are glorifying stupid things. Rappers are lost, them bitches ain't tryna do a thing. Penny for my thoughts, excuse me for being a hooligan. In the city of a white man, a black man is running in circles to have what the whites have. Now where do I stand? In a land where my brothers don't wanna see my success, I'm upset. Psychedelic thoughts are like a substance that I've been using from sunrise to sunset. Electrical mindset, a psychedelic trip. These are my thoughts when I'm on the high of an LSD. I looked at the mirror and then I looked at myself. I admit that I'm a hippie, I have a beautiful sense. I belong in the era where they grew their beautiful herbs. Psychedelic trees, the gods of the universe. I looked at the mirror and then I looked at myself. I admit that I'm a hippie, I have a beautiful sense. I belong in the era where they grew their beautiful herbs. Psychedelic trees, the gods of the universe.
I roll a swisher and I smoke up with my nigga. Biggie Smalls banging through the speakers. Everybody dying, no lying. Sunday morning sipping on the lean while my bitch is on the liquor. Recent by accident, heroin flowing through my veins. The crystal meth, get you high for motherfucking days. Don't forget the fucking Xannies. Play this shit for my mama just in case I OD. Brenda's got a baby that Britanno Machiavelli. Still pain or bronca, it's all the same here. Cause most my homies turn into motherfucking fiends. Some shit I couldn't believe. Mentally disturbed, no ADHD. I'm on that marijuana, mix it up with LSD. I'm a young Michael Jackson, sniffing on the white, tryna fuck a Janet. Nigga, you a bitch like Bruce Jenner. Nike on my feet, don't make me K-Sweets.
You dig? I looked at the mirror and then I looked at myself. I admit that I'm a hippie, I have a beautiful sense. I belong in the era where they grew their beautiful herbs. Psychedelic trees, the gods of the universe. I looked at the mirror and then I looked at myself. I admit that I'm a hippie, I have a beautiful sense. I belong in the era where they grew their beautiful herbs. Psychedelic trees, the gods of the universe. Motherfuckers ain't used to me. I told them about 1,000 times that there's nothing that they can do to me. Portrait is a true MC, a real genius. The only difference between you and me is how we look at the mirror. It's different. I've learned to appreciate all my flaws. Motherfuckers thought I'll always remain as I've been before. Bitch, I'm gone. I'm threatening rappers, they look upon, and I giggle when they try to attack a king with a pawn. It's a different type of game when you're winning outside your lane. They can copy your flows, but your spirit's harder to fake. The gift you got in your brain is intimidating the lames. If I gave you my scars, you wouldn't handle my pain. So wait, I taught the devil how to tango when he lived inside my mental, and the chicks thought I'm a weirdo. Okay, I had a gift in my cerebral. I had to go insane in order to get my credentials.
You know what I mean? Listen to the words that people say in their lyrics and tell me if that's some real if that's real to you. You know what I mean? Listen to what they saying. Don't just bob your head to the beat. Peep the game and listen to what I'm saying and hold us accountable for it.